up, B? Surprise! We're in the Gold Coast.
Why did you put that voice on?
I don't know. I'm still getting used to talking on camera.
Surprise!
Do you want to be in my vlog?
Not really.
Too bad.
My hair's a bit ugly at the moment.
Don't worry. It's really two-toned from the
I
same.
know, it's disgusting.
Looks really good.
Like the bun is white and hold on, let's just show the look. This is what she's dealing with, brunette and silver.
It's like brunette and then orange and then silver.
Yeah. Anyways, we're here for Content Clique. So Content Clique is on Sunday, today's Thursday. We have just arrived, we've just done our grocery shop and we're just cooking dinner. Tilly's like, I just want to be close. I just want to be touching. We are going to a posing lesson. Normally I pose with Morgan online, but we are doing face-to-face today. So we're at Zone, or we're almost at Zone. And we're gonna pose. And Jared's here for the ride because he wanted to come watch. So then step your right foot like straight ahead, like towards the arm. And then step that one back. And then step again. Not going down there, it's too far. Yeah, that looks good. And then quarter turn. Nice. This looks good. I was going to be giving you a little bit. Push a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. See if you can just like get as much glute projection like that way as you possibly can without then starting to like scrunch up your upper body. That's better. Yeah. Yeah, that looks great. And instead of the back goes from there, that's nice. Good. Okay, then quarter turn. Yeah, this booty up spot on. Okay, this one's so good. Well, the steps are good. Your feet are going forward now, which is really, really nice. When you step now, can we try and get a little bit more movement with the hips?
I might just need a moment to set up. I actually think it's all much better on this side. I'm very excited about it.
Tess said she's got something exciting to show us, and she was like, you need to vlog it. She's like, get the camera ready, I press record, and she's like, hold on, I need a moment.
Well, I need a moment.
So she's taking her moment. I also don't think I updated the vlog on what I did. I had a posing lesson today, you would have seen that. Then we went back to the gym for a Zone Define event. Basically, we just got some free shit, and that was really great. Oh, Tess is ready. Ooh, Tess is not ready? Oh, sorry, Tess is not ready. Yeah, went back, did the Define event. Jared and I just did cardio. Hi, come say hello. Come here. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. All right, we got noses. Sit. Sit. No, okay. Love that. Love that for you. Put your nose in. Hello. Hello to you. Oh, look, hello. Yep, love this. Did you sniff my butt? Thanks.
Give me a second. Give me a... How exciting!
It's 2025, doesn't it? Very straight.
You're so funny.
Oh, fucking great,
I'm going to be able to show people, look, this is how you edit something. Look, this is how you add a keyframe. You click on that button and then you go over here and then you drag it in. And then look. Demonstrations.
I love that. We are going to walk at the beach. just fart? Yeah, I'm trying to get Jared's fucking fat ass outfit. Please use that for you. Don't.
Oh.
Oh my. You want to film your camera? Oh. I'm just gonna zoom in on his chest.
Hide to the back. Ooh. You got some muscle.